How to change the shape of your webcam inside OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can change the shape of our webcam in OBS Studio. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can see I have a rectangular webcam, but if I want to change the shape for this webcam, so let us take circle as an example. First of all, open your browser, search for black circle. So depending upon whichever shape it is, make sure the color is in black and that the background is transparent. So make sure the background is transparent and the shape is in black color. If it is a square, you can select square or anything, right click, and then just make sure to save the image to your computer. Now once we save the image to a computer, come to OBS Studio. Here under the sources tab, you will find the video capture device, which means your webcam. Right click on it and then select the option called filters, as you would be able to find here. Under filters, again you'll find the plus button, so make sure to click the plus option, select image, mask and blend. After you do that, we're simply going to name this circle depending upon whichever shape we have. Then we click the OK option. Now here, if you look under the Path tab, you can see Browse option. So make sure to click on Browse and then select the PNG file, which is the shape that we downloaded earlier. Now it has been changed to circle, but you can see it's completely black. So to view our webcam, here you can see alpha mask color channel. From here, you want to set the type to alpha mask alpha channel. Once you set this, now your webcam will be successfully changed to a desired shape. And now you can click the close option, and here you should be able to see our webcam is in that particular shape. This way you'll be able to change the shape of your webcam inside OBS. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.